Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report from Mr. Collings right here in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-497hpc. Mr. Collings is the son of the late Joe Birdleg Collings, a dear friend of mine, and I got to meet them a couple years ago, and it was definitely a pleasure, and he will be missed. So I want you to say a prayer for the family, but we're going to get on with the video and make Mr. Collings very happy. Get your RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Key's a little less than a watt all the way down. Now the reason we did this, Mr. Collings, is so that you can run the carrier anywhere you want, have full adjustability if you run an amplifier. But 100-watt slug, RF power all the way up, about 18 watts, and that's where we want you to run it. RF power all the way up, about 18-watt carrier, average power swing, 50 bird, peak power, 100 watts in the corner. Let's pull this 100-watt slug out, and we're going to go to the 500-watt slug. About 145 watts. This is one of the first 497 HPCs that come out. Really hot radio and turned out really nice. I hope you enjoyed Mr. Collings. My deepest sympathies to the loss of your father. He was a great man. He's looking down on us right now, keying that big D104. I hope you enjoy it, sir. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.